Okay, this is the software you're going to use to take your NMR. First of all, you have to click on this standby. It's in off position. And you need that off. If it is on, then you need to turn it off. Then go to ensure to incorporate your readings. So what you're gonna do HNMR. Here you can also do CNMR as well, but for this sample I'm gonna do HNMR. So select H and OK. Then log nucleus 2H, OK. The solvent which I used, here's a list of solvents which we use for HNMR, includes D2O, DMSO, which we have the samples, our sample prepared in this solvent, chloroform, methanol, acetone, acetonitrile, benzene, ethanol, and THM. You can select any of this solvent by checking the solubility of your product in any one of them. So our product was very good and soluble in DMSO D6, so we did that. And from where you can get this idea that which solvent is good for your product, you can go to the literature for that. Okay, so our solvent is DMSO, we selected OK, and then experimental, so 1D is OK, and then number of scans you want to do. So if you will increase number of scans, the more accuracy in your results will be performed. So I'm gonna do 16 scans here, because if I will increase the number of scans, it will take more time to the samples to perform our characterization. So 16 samples are okay. Take that sample from heating mantle out and then insert here like this. So now you have to use your lady finger, small finger, to insert this NMR tube into this gauge and make sure that it will touch, this tube is coming down. So make sure it touches the base. Once it touches the base, place your hand out and grasp your sample from the sample holder and gently insert it into the machine. Okay, that's it. Now we'll move again towards the software and then clicking on lock. Once locking will be done, this go button icon will turn green, so you can check your experimental settings here as well, what you want to do. Spectral width, you can select scan. Spectral width, you can select scan delay. Spectral center, number of scans, number of points, dummy scans, and everything you want to do, you can adjust from here. Okay, we'll go with the default settings here and done. Okay, then go. Okay, you can see the status, the progress bar status here. Our scans have been completed and the spectra is in front of us. Here we can have different options to widen your peaks. You can use these options, H zoom, horizontal zoom or vertical zoom. So here I'll do vertical zoom. Okay, after completion of your sample, you just need to take this NMR tube of your sample out and place on the mantle, and then check the position of the tube again by that process. This is the reference tube. Okay, now it just touches the base, so it's okay. So I'll just take it out and place my reference tube on NMR back. So that's all about NMR